Hello and welcome to our channel dedicated to helping you make money online. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind or looking to supplement your income? You're in the right place. In our videos, we'll share different ways to earn money from home or anywhere with an internet connection. Today we will cover how to make easy income online. We'll provide you with tips, tricks, and strategies to help you get started and succeed. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and explore the world of making money online, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where a company pays a commission to an individual or website for promoting their products or services. This commission is earned when someone clicks on a special tracking link provided by the affiliate and makes a purchase on the company's website. It's a win-win situation where the company gets more sales and the affiliate earns a commission for referring customers. Affiliates can promote products through various channels, such as social media, email, or their own website, and they can earn a percentage of each sale or a flat fee for each referral. 2. E-commerce. E-commerce, short for electronic commerce, is the buying and selling of products or services over the internet. It involves online transactions between businesses and consumers or between two businesses. E-commerce has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its convenience and accessibility. It allows customers to shop from the comfort of their own homes, compare prices and products easily, and have their purchases delivered right to their doorstep. E-commerce websites usually have features such as shopping carts, payment gateways, and customer service support. E-commerce has revolutionized the way we do business, and it continues to grow and evolve with the advancement of technology. Sell products online through your own website or platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. 3. Online tutoring. Online tutoring refers to a type of education where a tutor or teacher provides instruction to students over the internet. It involves a virtual classroom or video conferencing software to deliver lessons, conduct assessments, and communicate with students. Online tutoring offers flexibility, convenience, and accessibility as students can learn from anywhere with an internet connection. It also allows for one-on-one instruction, personalized attention, and tailored lesson plans. With online tutoring, students can learn at their own pace, review materials as needed, and receive immediate feedback on their progress. Teach students online through platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, or Schooly. It is a popular option for students of all ages, from K-12 to higher education. 4. Content creation. Content creation refers to the process of developing digital materials, such as articles, videos, images, and social media posts, to communicate with an audience. It involves researching, writing, designing, and publishing content that is informative, engaging, and relevant to the target audience. Content creation is a critical component of digital marketing and is used to attract, inform, and convert potential customers. It can help businesses build brand awareness, establish authority, and increase their online visibility. Content creation requires a mix of creativity, strategy, and technical skills to ensure that the content is effective and resonates with the intended audience. It can be done in-house or outsourced to a content marketing agency or freelancer. Create content such as videos, blog posts, or podcasts and monetize it through ads or sponsorships. 5. Freelancing. Freelancing is a type of self-employment where an individual offers their services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Freelancers work independently and are not bound to any particular employer or company. They can work from anywhere, at any time, and typically use online platforms to find and communicate with clients. Freelancing allows individuals to work on a variety of projects, gain experience in different fields, and have control over their workload and schedule. Freelancers can offer a wide range of services, including writing, graphic design, web development, and consulting. They typically charge a fee based on their skills, expertise, and the amount of time required to complete the project. Offer your skills as a freelancer through platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. 6. Dropshipping. Drop shipping is a retail fulfillment method where an online store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means the store doesn't have to handle the product directly and can focus on marketing and customer service. Drop shipping can be a low-risk way to start an online business because it eliminates the need to invest in inventory up front. However, it also means the profit margins may be lower and there may be less control over the shipping and handling of products. 7. Online surveys. Online surveys are questionnaires conducted over the internet to gather data and opinions from a targeted group of people. Surveys are a popular tool used by businesses, organizations, and researchers to collect feedback and insights from customers, employees, or the general public. Participants can complete the survey at their own convenience, and responses are typically collected anonymously to encourage honest feedback. Online surveys can be conducted via email, social media, or on dedicated survey platforms. The information gathered through surveys can help businesses make informed decisions and improve their products or services to better meet the needs of their customers. Get paid for your opinions by taking online surveys through websites like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks. 8. Stock trading. Stock trading is the buying and selling of shares in publicly traded companies. When you buy a stock, you become a partial owner of the company, and the value of your investment can go up or down depending on the company's performance and other factors. Trading stocks can be done through a broker or online platform, and involves analyzing market trends, company financials, and news to make informed buying and selling decisions. It can be a way to potentially earn money through capital gains, dividends, or both, but it also comes with risks and requires careful consideration and research. Invest in the stock market through platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, or TD Ameritrade. 9. Online courses. Online courses are educational programs that are delivered entirely over the internet. They can range from short, one-off classes to full degree programs, and cover a wide range of subjects and skill levels. Online courses typically involve video lectures, interactive assignments, and online discussion forums, and can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. They offer the flexibility to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule, making them a popular option for people with busy lifestyles or who live far from traditional education institutions. Online courses can also be more affordable than traditional in-person classes, and can provide access to expert instructors and resources from around the world. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. 10. Cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies through online exchanges. The value of cryptocurrencies is determined by market demand, and traders speculate on the price movements to make profits. Cryptocurrency trading is often volatile and risky, and traders need to be aware of the potential risks involved. It's important to conduct research and keep up to date with news and trends to make informed trading decisions. Some traders use technical analysis tools to predict price movements, while others rely on fundamental analysis. Cryptocurrency trading is gaining popularity worldwide, and many people see it as a potentially lucrative investment opportunity. Buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies through exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Let's start income your choices.